it's ever felt before. The river's lower than I ever seen. The leaves are falling from the trees in the middle of the summer. The hills are brown. It's been so dry. I just wanna lay inside on a rainy day. Let the gray sky take the heat away. I just wanna lay on my back and listen to the sound, the beautiful sound of the rain falling down. Just wanna hear the rain on the roof, 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 rain on the roof. Well, lightning strikes down on a dry and cracked land. Over 50 strikes in an hour. The wind picks up, things get out of hand. Suddenly surrounded by wildfire. Well, ash falls down like snow from the sky. Heavy smoke burns my lungs and eyes. The sun turns red, daylight gets dim. Feels like hell on earth. I can't remember when the last time I heard the rain on the roof, 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 rain on the roof. La na 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 na. La na 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 na. It's the 5th of November. It's been raining now about a week, and I feel kinda down. Stare at blue walls, listen to the sound. The sound's getting louder.